Okay, I wanted to review the Unity free particle system. And so I downloaded the project in Unity and I'm going to go down. I really like this because it describes what the particles are. So it looks like this is a muzzle flash. And that's a flash impact, which is really cool. A metal impact. Oh, this is really cool. Look at that, I like the sand. We call it stone impact. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's pretty cool. I think I could use every single one of them. Oh, wow. It's like throwing daggers and ice plants. Like something that's like off of a Batman movie or something. Okay, let me continue on. And let's go down this way. Oh, I like that. A chemical spill coming up from the sewer. Looks like a sewer leak, ceiling leak. That's pretty cool. A puddle, shower. Oh, this is really cool effects here. I really like this. Oh, like we have a sandstorm going through. Oh wow, that's a rocket trail. That's pretty cool. Ooh, oh wow, it goes way up there. Oh, let me go through the sandstorm. They did an excellent job with the smoke. Look at that. Okay, so we went down this way. So let's go this way. Oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Little fireflies and a little fairy tale book. That's pretty cool. Oh, of course, I'm a candle person, so I love this one. It's a nice theme. You can use that for anything. Oh no, looks like somebody's trying to drill through the drawer. Oh no, they're about to come through. What is this? Dissolve. Oh, okay, so she's disappearing. You got her! She's gone! Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, let's go to the next one, which will be I believe, the fire. Nope, we already went through that way. There's one we haven't. Oh, this is the fire one we haven't gone through. Oh, look at that. Well, look at that. Oh, I really like this. This is a lot of fun. Whoa. Ah, I don't want to get burned. Get past it. Look at that. Cool effects. This reminds me so much of Blender. Energy explosion. The effect is made of 4 different particle systems. Once the first explosion animation found, there's a system for that. Oh, cool. Uh-oh, so like somebody's not happy down here. Uh-oh. I guess he doesn't like, I guess nobody would like that. Press space for more information. This effect uses a fireball sprite sheet with a directional velocity response to give an effect. Oh, look at it. Oh, that poor dinosaur. Well, anyway, I hope everybody has a great day and happy coding.